I made it home and I just drove around the block 11.1 kilometers according to that, and as you're driving it calculates the current fuel mileage, liters per 100 kilometers, and it shows the revs down here. As you rev up, it'll start to fill the circle. But usually when I'm driving, it doesn't go that far because I'm not going that fast. Yeah, like I sit somewhere back here, so I don't have too much a problem with the double vision with the glass. And even if I do see it, it doesn't bother me so much. So that's why I don't put on the other film that they give us. I'm kind of afraid the film might get stuck to the glass, sort of like how the non-slip pad melted onto the old device. So anyway, yeah, hope this helps you decide whether to purchase it or not. Oh yeah, it also shows oil temperature down here, so it's not bad. It's a good temperature. There are a lot of other things you can look into setting. At first I did try to set all those things, but honestly right now I just don't care about the other stuff. I just plug it in and use it, whatever it's set to. It works. So yeah, I was looking down at the speedometer while I was driving just to make sure that the speed that was displaying for me also was matching, and it was. So maybe I'm lucky it just works for my car. I didn't have to change any settings. Yeah, so the way I'm gonna use it now is when I'm done, I'm gonna turn it off using, there's a switch on the side here, and I'm just gonna unplug it from the top. I'm gonna lift it up from this non-stick pad, so I have it here in my hand, and I'm just gonna shove it into the glove compartment, and that should prevent it from ever getting stuck to my dashboard again, which that really sucked that I damaged the back there. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.